Hey guys, it's Joyce from Stay at Home Adventures, and today I am going to talk to you about begin with a budget and what is it, what can you do with it, how does it work, and is it for you? Now, this is a community that I started and I was working on it very hard this summer and as much as I could. And I shared with you guys that I felt like it was a failure, that it wasn't finished, and then somehow you guys managed to change my mindset and my heart, and I decided to get it done over the weekend and work at it and create it for you. So begin with a budget. Okay, let me see a sign now. Let me show you right here. It's a community, and my goal is to create a community where all of us can join and just help one another to create a budget that works for you, right? So I have been very passionate about budgeting. I feel that everyone should budget. Everyone should know what a budget is, no matter the income, no matter if you're on a fixed income. And I just felt that this is what we needed to get together and to learn how to budget, right? So this is for everyone that loves to budget or who has not budgeted, who is struggling to budget, who loves printables, who likes cash envelopes. This is for you. So the first thing you do is this is the home page, and if you click join, you pay the fee, which believe me is only $9. One-time fee on $9. That's it. And with that you get printables, which we have a library of printables, but you'll receive each month cash envelopes and printables, and I will get into that in a few. Then you have an access to the Facebook community, and then as a bonus you'll get a 2021 budget binder that I use to keep track of my money and my finances, and I have updated it, so it's in there, and we'll talk about it later. So these are a few things that I have right now in the library, and these are my favorite cash envelopes where I use to for a challenge that I have of saving $10 and $20 and see how many I can get in there. And then here I have the updated version of the 7-day no spending challenge. And this is really good to do after Christmas. So I thought maybe we could all in the Facebook group take this challenge for the month and see where we are and how successful we are, and encourage one another. Again, it's only $9, and you have here it's the frequent asked questions, but if you have questions you can always email me. I'm sorry about that motorcycle behind. Sorry about the motorcycle. Anyway, so then here are some of the printables that are available in the library. And then I am going to, oh my goodness, traffic is horrendous here, but I'm sorry guys. So anyway, this is some of the printables that are available in the library, but you can get to check what's inside there right now in a few. I am going to log back in and then show you what the website looks like after you make a purchase and after you log in. Alright, so this is what it looks like once you make a purchase. You pay your $9, you get an email, you click, and then you log in, and this is the behind the scene of what it looks like. You have the home, library, start here, monthly printable, log out, in my account. When you click my account, there's a change your password, change your personal details, my profile, my orders, my favorites, my courses, payment method, manage subscription, and contact team. Now, this and this are the same thing. Will lead you to the same place. If you start here, it will take you to start here where you can download the budget binder. You get access to the members library, and then how to join the Facebook group. When you click read more here, you can download the 2021 budget binder. You click here. You can either print it or you can download it. Then if you go back, you can click here. And then to access to the library, you can go here or you can go here. But since I'm here, I want to show you guys, this is, you can click here. And I would suggest you read this because this is very important of what you can do with the printables. You cannot sell them. It's only for personal use only. Once you get here, this is the library. This is what you just add to cart. And then everything is 0. Checkout, and then you can get to download it. You can scroll down. I believe the front page of the shop or library will show about 25 to 50 products. So I will suggest that you browse and see what you need. For budget binder, I will try to keep all the printables that you can use for budget in here. And this one is a pretty cute one that you can use with the budget binder. Now to access your monthly printables, click monthly printable tab right here, and then you have the September. And this is what it's available for September. I will try to keep 12 months in here. And this is so far what we have for the month of October. I have to add the cash envelope, but that's going to be a surprise. Alright, so there you have it. This is Begin with the Budget. I hope that you guys join and start this journey with me. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you later.